What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're taking the R7 again. Look how nice it looks. So we're going to chat about how amazing life is and how you should not be wasting any time. Let's go. Before we get into today's video, don't forget, while you're here, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to hit the subscribe, the like, do the things that help me out as I'm building the channel. And if you're here from one of my other social media platforms, thank you, and welcome to YouTube. And now, today's video. It is a beautiful evening in October 2025, and this video is just a small, short reminder that life itself is made up of incredible moments, right? And ones that are happy, sad, glad, scary, all the things. And we take a lot of it for granted. We take the time that we're given for granted. And it's my encouragement to all of you, riders of motorcycles, just people, to grab onto things. Grab onto moments, your memories, the things that you do, even in the mundane day-to-day. Time is the only thing that we cannot get back. It's the only currency that we have that we can't add more of. We can't rewind. We can't tack things on at the end. And it's the only thing that goes by and slips through our fingers without us even realizing it. And I've realized that a lot recently. I'm getting obviously older. I've been doing social media content for 3 years now. It seems like it's been like that. And you know, we're all kind of growing up, getting old, and loved ones, family, all of the things. We're having incredible moments in life, and we cherish them, and we look back on them, and we take pictures, and we take photos, and all of these things. But yet it just keeps rolling, right? Everything just keeps moving forward, and it's my hope that the people that consume my content, that are watching from wherever, all over the world, that enjoy some of the nonsense, a little bit of the, you know, educational, informational, argumentative, whatever the kind of content might be, if you are enjoying it, you're listening from everywhere, anywhere and everywhere, just know that I appreciate you, and that I hope that you take the time to enjoy your life, and remember that we only get one shot at this. And that's really it. You know, I think we take a lot of what we're given for granted, and a lot of the moments and a lot of the memories that we're making and sharing and enjoying creation and enjoying each other's company. I've gotten a lot of really awesome messages recently that have you know, encouraged me with my content. Sometimes, even no matter how big the platforms are, you know, hundreds of thousands of people that follow me on the other platforms, you forget that it's all about the individuals. I'm just trying to help somebody have a better day, help somebody improve their riding, whatever it might be. And I've gotten a lot of really nice messages that kind of enforce that recently, and it just makes me think of that and all of the rest of the things that I have that are positive in my life. And I want that for you guys. I want that for everyone, and I hope that you remember that whenever times are tough, that, like, you know, we have a lot to be thankful for, and even when things are hard, we can still find positives and blessings in everything. So it's a little sappy, it's a little whatever the kids are calling cringy, but I just hope that you guys can think about that and hold on to the time that we're given. So with that being said, that's really all I wanted to do. That's really all I wanted to talk about. And I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful rest of your day and rest of your week, depending on when you're watching this. And until next time, Be safe.